Dear students, today we would like to see the solution of assignment 8, and you have gone through the various concepts in design of experiment. Basically, we conduct design of experiment to check the parameters right at the design stage, its influence on the output, and to filter out the important parameters and their optimal ranges which could be taken care at the design or the process stage. So, we have 15 questions and question 14 and 15 are common data question. Question 1, read the following statements carefully and mark the correct choice. So, there are 3 statements given. DOE helps to identify the relationships between cause and effect. DOE provides some understanding of interactions among causative factors. DOE deals with activities which prove that products and services meet the required quality standard. So, A, B, C and D, you can see the options and we are supposed to find the correct choices. So, the answer to this question is A, statement 1 and 2 is correct. DOE helps to identify the relationships between cause and effect. DOE provides some understanding of interaction among causative factors. Question 2, which of the following sentence is false referring to ANOVA? A, collection of statistical models used to analyze the differences among group mean and their associated procedures. Biologists and statisticians Ishikawa developed the ANOVA models. Statistical method of comparing the means of several population, and D, can be used as an exploratory tool to explain observations. So, the correct answer is B, and biologist and statistician Ishikawa developed the ANOVA model is the incorrect statement. Actually, biologist and statistician Sir Ronald Fisher developed the ANOVA model. Question 3, control variables can be defined as A, which is constant and unchanged throughout the course of the investigation, B, which is changing throughout the course of the investigation, C, the variables which cannot be controlled by human being, and D, none of the above. So, the correct answer is A, control variable is constant and unchanged throughout the course of the investigation. Question 4, which of the following statement is or are correct referring to an experiment? 1, try to make the changes in the input and look at output, try to see any dependency. 2, variables must be manipulated by the experimenter, and 3, perform a scientific procedure especially in a laboratory to determine something. So, you can see the 4 options on screen and the correct answer is C. That means statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Now, see the question 5. Following diagram, the diagram represented here represents the steps of planning DOE. Symbol A, B and C presents. So, you are supposed to identify that what this A, B and C represent, and we have 4 options. For example, A, option A, select the factors, B, conclusions and C, run experiment, and likewise. So, correct answer is D, A, select the factors, B, run the experiment, C, conclusions. Question 6, which of the following statement is wrong in reference to build, test, fix approach? A, impossible to know if true optimum achieved. B, consistently so process. C, it requires more runs for the same precision in effect estimation, and D, it requires luck, rework and reoptimization. So, the answer is C, it requires more runs for the same precision in effect estimation. Question 7, match the following: A, factorial design, B, Taguchi method, C, response surface design, and you can see the options on right side. 1, explore the relationship between several explanatory variables and one or more response variables. 2, called robust design methods used to improve the quality of manufactured goods. And 3. An experiment whose design consists of 2 or more factors, each with discrete possible values or levels, and whose experimental units take on all possible combinations of these levels across all such factors. So, the correct answer is A. It means your A is matching with statement 3. Factorial design is an experiment whose design consists of 2 or more factors, each with discrete possible values or levels, and whose experimental units take on all possible combinations of these levels across all such factors. Taguchi method. B is matching with 2, that is Colles-Robos design method used to improve the quality of manufactured goods. C. Response surface design explores the relationships between several explanatory variables and one or more response variables. Question 8. Mr. Krishnanan conducted an experiment for warm room and cold room conditions. For this experiment, they considered different factors such as pressure, temperature and humidity. For full factorial design experiment, number of trials will be A 2, B 9, C 3 and D 8. So, the correct answer is D, that is 8, and you can see that n is equal to y raised to x, where n is number of trials, y is number of conditions, which is 2 here, warm and cold, x is number of factors, and here we have 3 factors, pressure, temperature and humidity. N is equal to 2 raised to 3, n is equal to 8. Question 9. In a 9 by 9 factorial design, how many conditions are there in the experiment? Answer is A 2. To convert any design into the Robos design, which approach is used? Fill in the blank. QFD, Six Sigma, design of experiment, none of the above. So, the correct answer is C, design of experiment. Question 11. Read the following statements carefully. Mark the correct choice. Statement 1. Conventional DOE focuses only on average responses. Statement 2. Taguchi focuses on variability, treated variability as response. A. Statement 1 and 2 is correct. B. Only statement 1 is correct. C. Only statement 2 is correct. And D. Statement 1 and 2 is incorrect. The correct answer is A. Statement 1 and 2 is correct. Statement 1. Conventional DOE focuses only on average responses, and statement 2. Taguchi focuses on variability, treated variability as response. Question 12. Fill in the blank is the repetition of an experimental condition so that the variability associated with the phenomena can be estimated. A. Randomization, B. Blocking, C. Factorial experiment, D. Replication. The correct answer is D. Replication. Question 13. Which of the following is correct? If there are no main effects, there can be no interaction. Option A. Option B. Whenever interactions are found, there must be main effects. C. Whenever main effects are found, there must at least one interaction. When both interaction and main effects are found, the interactions are interpreted first. So, the correct answer is D. When both interactions and main effects are found, the interpretations are interpreted first. There is a common data question 14 and 15, and what you can see here, that an experiment is conducted to investigate the defects in manufacturing part. 2 different factors were considered for finding out the defects. That means size of the apparatus Y1 and the part positioning Y2. A study of 8 defects for each defect size and part positioning combination is displayed in the table. So, you can see that there is an apparatus size, there is part positioning, Y1 is low and high and Y2 is low and high, and the question is, what will be the effect of low level and high level of apparatus size? You can see the various options on the screen, and the computation can follow like this, that there is an apparatus size low to high, part positioning low to high. You can find column averages, row averages. Here the interpretation is specific to row averages, and hence rise from 13.563 to 18.675 because of changes made from low level to high level effect. Question 15. What will be the effect of low level and high level of part positioning? A rise from 13.563 to 18.6575 because of change is made from low level to high level effect. A rise from 25.095 to 7.125 because of change is made from low level to high level effect, and similar way you can see the options C and D. So here, as you can appreciate, that we need to look at the column averages and how there is a change detected, and this is a rise from 25.095 to 7.125 because of changes made from low level to high level effect. So with this we are finishing this particular solution of assignment 8, and I hope you are going through the various lectures meticulously, which can help you to appreciate the intricacies involved in each particular topic and attempt the assignments in a more holistic manner. So thank you very much, and next time we will see the solution of assignment 9.